Alright everybody, Game Cooker US Rocks VR here, um, doing another video. How y'all doing today? Um, this is my camera setup, best I can do right now, um, in such a short time. I wasn't planning on doing this video, but my cat decided that she wanted to piss all over my chair, so she kind of ruined it. Because there's no way to really clean it because the cushion is attached to the chair itself. So even if you try to wash it out, uh, it's just never really going to come out all the way, and it kind of already stinks. So we kind of booted that chair, and I went looking for a chair real fast. I didn't really do a lot of searching this time because I need one like right now. Um, so I had a choice between an office chair that was on clearance and this one here, which is the Emerge Vortex Gaming Chair. It's white and black, as the picture shows here. They did have it assembled at the store, so I was able to sit down on it. I needed a chair that where the armrests go up and down, so that I can easily get in and out of my chair, or if I'm on an angle on my desk, sometimes I have to lift one arm up because they both won't fit like in the corner. Um, but I do need armrests because my wrists hurt after a while when I don't have anything to lean on. Um, this one does have reclining as well, so it does recline, and you can adjust the tension in the reclining. So we're gonna see how. Well, I'm gonna put this together and see how hard it is put together, because every chair is different, right? So um, let's get started on this. The Emerge Vortex Gaming Chair. I do try to avoid gaming chairs because a lot of the ones that I sat in were not very comfortable. So I just never thought that the money that you're paying for them is really worth it. Um, but this one seemed fairly comfortable. Wasn't perfect. The office chair that was on clearance was actually more comfortable, and I probably would have gotten that one, but they didn't have any in stock. I would have had to wait until they came in. So I just grabbed this one instead. All right, so let's get started here. Hopefully I won't have too many roadblocks. Now it says right here, don't use a knife, but I'm gonna use a knife. Right here is my knife. Yeah, so I'm sorry if I can't get like a better shot. Um, above shot. I was trying to do something here, but you know, if I zoom in too much, then you can't see anything. If I don't zoom in enough, then um, it's just everything looks weird. So I don't know. We'll just go with this area here. Hopefully that will be enough for you guys to see what's going on. So just be careful. They said don't use a knife, so I'm assuming that you can cut the chair because it does have like a um, bonded leather. So I usually just like lift this up before I cut. That way, you just kind of once you kind of cut one end, it just comes off pretty easy. This is not. You're not really seeing what I'm doing, though, are you? I mean, you are, but you aren't. There we go. Let's do that. So it's packed pretty nicely, as you can see. Pretty good packing. Just put this stuff over there. Alright, so this is the arms. Let me put on some music here. Very light music. So here's the arms. You can't really see, I guess, through the... And they are marked. Right, left. So I'm gonna put this stuff over there. Okay, so they have, whoops. Let's just, yeah. That's the bottom. This is the covers to the underneath, I guess. I'm not sure what these arrows mean here. If they mean anything. For the assembly part anyway. So I'll just take this out and show you after I get the box out of the way. Hopefully the music's not too loud. It wasn't loud when I was playing it back. It was just very light in the background. This is the lever. This is the back of the chair. This is the bottom. And everything's marked. So this says the front. Front. Alright. So let's get the directions. Let me put this. With that knife. I don't know. The music to me is very loud, but it's kind of hard to really tell. All the screws and caps, wheels. Alright, let's hope this is very easy. Very easy to do, let's hope. Seems like when it's on, it focuses better when it's on an angle. I don't know why. Kind of weird. Let me get over here more, maybe it'll focus better. Alrighty, so we have the parts. So the parts. Alright, that's gotta go. I don't like that song. That's very annoying. Alright, so they want us to do the wheels first. So this part first. So the piston and the wheels. Okay? Let's do that. I mean, if you want, I don't know if I should zoom in or not. So the wheels should be easy to put in, you know? Should just snap right in. You think. Okay, so this is the piston here, I think. So the arrow is pointing up. So that probably is telling you that it's got to be up like that. So far everything's marked pretty well. You know, just fast forward, you know, through the video if you don't want to watch something, because I don't know if I'm going to edit this. Pretty easy, just pop in them wheels, right? Pretty simple. Okay. All right, good. I think we got to take these, do these next. I think you can zoom in, but I'm not sure. Alright, so this is up. Whoop, whoa. What happened here? So we have to do that. Interesting. I guess it just drops in there. That's very weird. Let me see if that's right. I guess. I guess it just drops in the hole. Okay, next is to work on the underneath. I don't know if you can see that. Underneath this chair, this part. Okay, there's 4 screw holes here. This is the front here. So, let's get this. This is the lever. Alright, so this is marked. I don't know if you can see it, but it says front. Front. So that means it would be going like this. And then I gotta get the screws. We're looking for A screws, or yeah. A screws. So there's 4. It says hand tighten them first. I don't know if I got a adapter for this size here. Yeah, I don't have any Allen wrenches, I don't think. Well, maybe. Let's try this. Ooh, yeah. Let's see if I can break it. So I'm just tightening it until it turns my wrist. That should be tight enough. I mean, if anything, I'll look at it later. So that's what it looks like there. Seems to be pretty tight, so I think we're good. Alrighty, now we got the... Now we can put this on top of this. Hmm. When they say front, I'm assuming that means the part that you're sitting. Oh, look at that, nice. Boop. Meow. Boop. Boop. Alright, so it goes up already and down. Good. Alright, now we can put the arms on. The arms. Left and right. So, So if this is, let's see. This is the front. Front. So that would be left and right, I guess. Sound good? I don't know. Sounds logical to me. Well, so far, knock on wood, things are pretty simple. So we need B size screws now. So we go to B. B, 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 B. 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 Alright, so again, right, left. So I'm assuming this is left. Right? Left. This is how I'm gonna do it. And a lot of times these are on like a slant. So they don't always go in like, you know, very easy. So what we'll do is we'll start them with the wrench here. So yeah, sometimes they go in like on an angle. So you'll have to be careful. Like this one didn't go in right. I could tell. There we go. Good. Very good. All right, not too tight, you know. Again, if you have to adjust it later, then do that. Looks good to me. Seems solid. So now we gotta get the other side, which should be a little easier since you got that arm there. Close up this knife here for safety. Don't want to cut myself. Alrighty, next arm. Wow, this is going really, really nicely. I went and ripped open the caps, so let me get them out of here before they go all over the place. So there should be, I'm assuming, more B's. Yeah, just B. They look like they're all the same size here. Uh-oh, what's that? Ooh. Yeah, B. I'm not left-handed. Might help if I get it in the hole. Been married twice, I think I can do that. This one's going in pretty easy. The other one is not. The other one is giving me trouble. Why? I'm trying to get it on a good angle so you can see what I'm doing here. So there's just two holes in the chair, and you're just lining it up. That's all. Pretty simple. I should have timed it, huh? I didn't time it. But it seems like if you're quick, you can probably slap it together in a half hour. Again, don't, tighten it too tight. Just come back later if you need to. So there we go. So there's the other one. Look, an exercise machine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyway, that was bad. Next. Okay. Alrighty then. Looks like Alright, so we need 2 more B screws, which are the last. Only 2, that's interesting. Huh. 2. And then I guess they go right here, 1 here and 1 here in the side of the thing here, but there's 2 holes here, so I'm not exactly sure what's going on there. Are we missing screws? Are we missing screws? Ah, look at this. I dropped two before. So, there they are. I hope they're the same. Oh boy, they look the same. Alright, yeah, so basically just, there's holes here. You can see right here and right there. So that's where you're putting in this thing here, basically. So this will probably be the hardest part since, you know, I shouldn't have tightened these maybe. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's kind of setting in there pretty good. I just have to line up the holes. Line the holes up. Okay, way off. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have tightened these things so much. Alright, let me see if I can get this started. I don't know if I might have to turn it sideways. Oh boy. Can't really see. Where is it? It's got to go down more. That's interesting. Alright, I'm gonna loosen this up a little. So there's a little bit of play. Kind of tight. Whoop. Oh! Nope. Sorry about that. You went for a skydiving. Okay, so I'm loosening up this a little bit, not much, just enough to give it some play, because it seems like it's a little hard to stick this in there. Just again lining up these holes here and here in the holes in here. So let's see if I can get this in here. It's kind of hard to see because it's dark. There we go. So I got one in on this side now. Okay. Now I'm going to flip the chair. See if I can get in this one. Just to start one. The bottom one if possible. Wow, pretty tough. Pretty tough to line up here. Maybe I have to... Oh, there we go, okay. You gotta kind of lift up the arm. There we go. And kind of set it up. Alright, where's the screws? There we go. Now I don't know if I'm doing this exactly right, because they might want you to put it in each hole a certain way. But it should be, so there we go. Alright, so you just pull this back and then it'll show, you'll be able to see it right here. I know you can't really see. So I'm just hand tightening for the moment, just to get everything started. This one should be able to line up this one pretty easy now. Although gravity is always your friend in some cases. There we go. Alright, I'm going to use this. Although I don't know how far down I can get it. Again, I only do it until my wrist turns, right? I don't know if you can see the drill. Watch the drill. See, it's turning my wrist. So I'm just tightening it until it starts turning my wrist. And then I'll make any adjustments later, you know, if it's not tight enough. But I don't want to strip it, right? So see? There you go. Whoops. Get back here. Alright, I gotta tighten the other side, because I think that's the one that's loose still. So let me tighten this. Alright. Sorry if my microphone's all over the place. I hope my voice was okay. So these are the caps. Alright, you just put them on here. Like that. Now if you don't have anything to, you know, just... I think that's what we're doing. Putting the caps on. Just to make it look pretty. Now I don't have enough caps. Maybe, They didn't give me enough caps. Ouch. Huh. Unless I'm not supposed to put them in certain places, so whatever. Yeah, I'm missing a cap. Maybe I just dropped one. Well, I'll look for it later. It's not very important. So, I think we're done. Sorry about my messy upstairs here, but it is what it is. Okay. I think I did it right. The only thing I don't have, it's not leaning very well. There was supposed to be an adjustment on here. I don't think they gave me... Oh, this thing. I guess this. This thing here. Oh, you can't see it. Crap. This. this here. So let's loosen it up and see what happens. Oh yeah, that's better. So if you want to lean back more, or if you want to lean back easier, you just loosen it. If you want it firmer, I mean, I'm a skinny person, you know, so you can see, but there's still, you know, a wider person could sit on this. So I think that's it. All done. That's the, what's it called? Emerge Vortex Gaming Chair. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped anybody with their purchase or putting it together. Love y'all. Peace.